What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the Life of T. As y'all already know, I am T, and if you didn't know, that means you're new here, so thank you for joining. Y'all may be wondering why I'm looking a little crazy with a scarf on my head. Today we're doing a wig tutorial. I'm hoping it's gonna be super easy, fun, entertaining for y'all, but I thought to myself, I'm too old not to be doing these things myself. So yeah, we doing a wig tutorial, y'all. Okay, so let me show y'all the wig first. I got it from this website called, I think it's pronounced TEMU. TEMU? Whatever. It's a website and they do have an app. I got it for free, which is why I really want to try this. Y'all want me to put y'all on how you can get it for free? I'm so glad you said it. So I got it for free because if you invite like 10 people, you can get money off of gifts. They automatically, when you sign up, you get like, you are eligible for a free gift or whatever. So you have to invite 10 people to get $1 off of each person. And then if they're already a member of it, I think you get like 50 cents, then 10 cents. But anyway, you're trying to get, invite as many people as you can to get your item free. And then once you get it free, you in there, free shipping, everything. And this is a good wig, y'all. This is it. It's a glueless wig. It's very soft. And we're gonna see what she do. I am going to bleach the knot. Y'all, I'm scared about that. Never did this before, but we about to get into it. Yes. We finna slay this wig, okay?
Okay, so first you'll need a mixing bowl. Then you will get your developer. I got it straight from the hair store. And then you will get your powdered bleach. Got it from the hair store as well. So you want to do like equal parts. A half or ounce or ounce and a half of developer. Then you'll do about an ounce of bleach. And then you will mix that together. And I kind of just eyeball mine. I'm assuming it was equal parts. And then I could not find my little brush that I use. So I had to use a straw to mix it up, y'all. But it did what needed to be done. But don't be like me. Just use a brush or, find something else. Don't use a straw. All right, so once it's evenly mixed, then it's time to start laying it on your lace. So once again, I'm using my straw, the ghetto, but you want to evenly coat it all the way over your lace. And try not to be heavy-handed to where the mixer starts to seep through, because I actually made that mistake and mine started to seep through. But you want to just lightly coat it just to make sure that, the bleach is evenly covering the lace. You will leave it on there about 15 to 20 minutes, but please watch it. You don't want to just be sitting there waiting and then it mess up the lace. So now that the knots are bleached, it's time to start plucking. This is the part that I was worried about because I didn't want a part that was too wide, and I also didn't want it to be too skinny to where it doesn't look natural. So I just took my time, lightly plucked. I wasn't snatching out no big holes or nothing like that, because you do want it to look natural. And once you pluck it, it's not growing back because it's not on somebody's human scalp. So just take your time with it. You can look at the little holes and use those because they are kind of like grids, and just kind of map your way through it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Just keep plucking until you feel comfortable with it. Just keep looking at it, like I said, taking your time, and then whatever looks natural for you, go with it, boo. After I was done with the plucking, I went ahead and blow dried it since I did wash it, because I don't have time for no air dry, and gotta do what I gotta do. But that was pretty easy, simple. Everybody knows how blow dry works, so we just gonna speed past this part. Now for the most nerve-wracking part. This is more nerve-wracking than the plucking. It's the cutting the lace, because you want to get as close as possible, but you also don't want to like mess nothing up by cutting too close. So yeah, I realized after blow drying it, I had a lot of flyaways. So then I was tripping about that, like, oh Lord, I'm being cut too much. But you know what? Like with the plucking, you just take your time, get as close as you can, and do what you got to do. Even if you do leave a little bit of lace, on the edge is fine. If somebody says something about it, then that means they too close. Okay. But yeah, just inch as close as you can without messing nothing up. That's pretty much all you have to do there. And yes, I was using my kitchen scissors because I could not find my shears. Like, this video was just determined to be ghetto. Like, I was not prepared, y'all, but I promise that I sanitized the scissors. But that's all I had. That's all I had. You got to work with what you got. So don't judge me.
Okay, so for the moment we've all been waiting for, to put the wig on. So I do have my Clio set it off braids already, and I did cheat because I went to the beauty school and got my hair braided down, because y'all can't braid. Like, if you've watched any other video of mine, you ain't seen nothing too extravagant when it comes to my hair, because I don't know how to do no hair. So yeah, got it braided down, nice, simple, clean, because I just wasn't even about to play around. I got my wig cap. They did give me like some nude color ones, but I'm like, I'm black, so I'm gonna use my black one that I have. Just gonna twist this, pull it up, put my wig cap on, y'all. And I'm already knowing I'm probably going to dye this wig black, only because one, black is just, I love black hair, and two, the bleach definitely got on the actual roots, so it's giving rusty. But I'm gonna try to put some makeup on it and make it look good. And plus, if you looking at all that, then you too close. But let me get her off the mannequin. And I am going to flat iron it as well. Let me see if, so the bleach got on the dang-on roots, but it really didn't get on the lace like it should have. So it's probably giving white scalp, but I'm gonna put some makeup on it. This thing tight. Oh, I should have showed y'all, which I'm sure y'all saw. Anyway, it does have clips in the inside, so that's how we're going to put that bad boy on. Okay. Now again. Whew. Lordy, my head might be too big. Okay, but at least she gonna be secure because this thing is tight. Okay. You don't want it to be like snatching your edges off, so make sure it's comfortable tight. And then do the back one if I can. Yeah, okay. Whew. Okay. Is she on? Let me look in a regular mirror first. Okay, so I did go ahead and put some concealer on it to try to make it look, you know, a little natural, because that white scalp, it was giving dandruff. Okay, but I'm feeling it. Like, y'all, this was nice, easy, and simple. I think I already said it, but I am going to flat iron it. I'm about to do that real quick. But she is giving, I'm proud of myself. Like, even though this was very easy, y'all just don't know, like, I don't do hair. I wash my hair, I twist it, do a braid out, and that's it. Like, that's all I can afford to do, okay? Because one thing about it, two things are certain, no hair is gonna stress me out, okay? So yeah, let's get this flat iron popping real quick. I'm just gonna do a quick run through it, because I'm not going anywhere, so I have to go pick up my son from daycare in a minute. So yeah, we're just gonna do a quick run through with the flat iron, y'all. So this is the flat iron we're using, $21.99. Okay, came straight from the hair store because I wear my hair natural. Why do I need a flat iron? And I was about to spend an arm and a leg on a flat iron that I'm only going to be using for a wig. And so she gonna do what she needs to do. If I can get it open, maybe. Ow. Hold on. Okay, y'all, so I couldn't find a heat protectant to save my life, so let's just hope we don't burn up this wig. Yeah, that's all I got. Like I said, I'm not going anywhere special, so I'm not about to do too much, spend too much time on it. We're just gonna do a few run-throughs, and yeah. So how y'all doing? I'm doing well. Now that I got this wig on my head, I have been freaking out about this all day, okay? And sis is in there. Call me a junior hairstylist, okay? All right, I ain't gonna go that far, but y'all get the point. I'm going over this too fast, ain't it? Let me turn this thing down, first of all. Whew. Getting a little toasty. All right, let's just do a little quick speed through because I know y'all don't want to watch me do this. Slowly, that is. Y'all, I wish I had my lashes on. Y'all, all I want to say is, watch how you speak to me, okay? Y'all, I did that. Like, who is she? Who is she? Add makeup, I mean, not makeup, nothing. Add wig stylist to my resume. Nah, I'm playing. But y'all, I love it. I can't keep my hands out of it. I absolutely love it. Like, get into it. I feel so proud of myself that I actually put on my own wig. The plucking, the bleaching, the all of that. Now I know there was some mishaps, but I did it. You can't tell me this didn't grow out my scalp. You can't tell me it didn't. Baby, it's mine, okay? I'm so happy, y'all. Okay, so that's it for this video. Y'all, I hope that they help someone, encourage someone, because like I said, I'm no hairstylist. So even though this may be easy to a lot of people, this was a big accomplishment for me because what I know about hair. But I hope y'all did enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe. If you watch this video, I feel like I deserve a subscribe because what else is my prize? And don't forget to like, comment, save, share, turn on your notification bell so you know when I'm posting the next video. And yeah, I'll see y'all next time. Bye.